Hi, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and I'm here on LinkedIn spotlighting some of my contacts here and celebrating how you people are using your voices in the world. And today I wanted to talk just a little bit about Linda Michelle Cohen. Now, Linda is someone that I know both from Toastmasters and from the National Speakers Association, where she was a former president of the chapter that's right here in the Portland metropolitan area. And Linda calls herself a certified virtual presenter, keynote speaker, and kindness catalyst. Yes, you heard that correctly. And that is why I wanted to spotlight Linda today. Her programs include spreading kindness, not corona, resilience in a time of uncertainty, the economy of kindness, how kindness transforms your bottom line, and what kind of leader are you? Her programs are highly interactive, either virtually or on stage, which I can attest to because I've heard her speak. And I just wanted to say also that she wrote this fantastic book. I happen to love this. It's called 1,000 Mitzvahs. And I wanted to read just a little bit from this page that I randomly opened to when I pulled out the book yesterday to take a look at it. This is Mitzvah 841. Help a fellow shopper carry their load. On my way out of Target, I spotted an older couple slowly making their way to the parking lot. The wife was in a wheelchair, and her husband was trying to simultaneously push her down the sidewalk and balance a large box of items that they had just purchased. I offered to carry the box to the car while he pushed the wheelchair. They were so grateful, and it made me happy to be able to give them some assistance. Well, I worked in banks and insurance companies for over 15 years, and honestly, I don't remember anyone ever mentioning the value of kindness in the workplace. Goal setting and meeting markers, yes. Performance indicators, of course. Kindness, not so much. I mean, maybe it happens more in corporations these days, but it didn't so much when I was working in them. Now, what's wrong with this picture, I ask you? And honestly, I have to admit, I don't know about you, but there have been times during this whole pandemic year where my nerves have been stretched so thin that I have been less than kind, especially to the people closest to me. Now, please tell me I'm not the only one. But that is why the work that someone like Linda Michelle Cohen is doing is so important in the world right now. And besides, with the holiday season coming up, what a great gift for some of your friends and family members. So check out her 1,000 Mitzvahs, and you can find Linda Michelle Cohen right here on LinkedIn, where you can also find me and on my website at laurahandke.com.